Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland, southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert's County in southern Maryland, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from Andrews Air Force Base to St. Charles, and were moving east at 30 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Upper Marlborough, Waldorf, St. Charles, Marlton, Dunkirk. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service